Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to lock Fiat 500 petrol cap. First, park on level ground and switch off the engine, then set the handbrake. Locate the petrol cap and turn it anti-clockwise to open, then remove the cap carefully. Insert the locking collar and align the tabs, then press firmly until you hear a click. Test the cap by turning gently clockwise to ensure it locks securely. Keep keys, replacement collar, and a 10mm wrench in your glove box to speed future locks. Start by cleaning the filler neck and cap area with a soft cloth. Apply a light silicone lubricant to the rubber seal to prevent sticking and corrosion. If your Fiat 500 has an aftermarket lock cylinder, check compatibility before installing. Practice the lock operation twice to build confidence and avoid fuel spillage. Keep a small flashlight for common issues include cross-threading, stuck seals, or misaligned tabs. If the lock refuses to engage, remove and inspect for debris or bent tabs, then realign carefully. For a seized cap, soak the seal with penetrating oil for a few minutes and work the cap loose gently. Replace damaged seals immediately to prevent leaks. If unsure, consult a qualified mechanic to avoid voiding warranties and costly repairs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.